there's a lot of hype around Tanah Lot. So I'm in Tanah Lot, it's super crowded.
Hi guys, I'm Archie, a digital nomad from India. I'm exploring the world one day at a time to find places that are remote, hidden, fun, and digital nomad friendly.
Hi guys, this is a random vlog that I'm doing today. So I'm just heading to a beautiful place nearby called Tanah Lot. It has received a lot of recognition and there's a lot of hype around Tanah Lot. So let me see what Tanah Lot has to offer. I'm going in the sunset time, which is the best time. So it'll take me approximately around I think 20 minutes to get there. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys there. Hi guys, I'm in Tanah Lot. It's super crowded. Everyone's here for the sunset and I paid 60,000 rupiah, which is around like 300 rupees just for the entry. I don't have much time because the sun is already setting. I'll see you guys. So I'm just walking towards the temple. Paid 300 bucks to watch the temple and the sunset. I really don't want to miss it. People just walking. This is so beautiful.
There are so many people, but that's the best part because you get to immerse yourself in the culture, the outfit, the music, the people, everything just screams of their culture and I love it. I 100% recommend you guys to come here, have a look and see for yourself what this place is all about. But make sure you don't come on the weekends because it gets super crowded. And also sunset is the best, but make sure you come much prior. I mean, look at the views. This is just insane. Amazing time to really soak up the sunset. So I 100% recommend the sunset, but don't come on the weekends. Come a little bit earlier, somewhere around 5 o'clock, and you're gonna have the best time of your life. And that's it.